when it comes to wellness and remote working, I think some of the ways that getting things done can have a positive impact on your experience is really kind of helping to separate the overall flow of your work at home. In particular, I think starting with just the clarifying organizing stage of workflow management, where taking the time to bind it with daily rituals that you would typically do in your house. I love to pair my clarifying and organizing with my morning coffee. Usually sit outside in the chair and have my coffee and then have my phone. Having that mobile device with me, even though I'm still in my house, is really helpful. It allows me to really focus and really set the priorities for the day without really getting sucked into any of the work and moving to that doing stage and keeping me where I need to be at that moment, which is the clarify and organize. And it's then I transition into my office and my workspace. And that's where I'm engaging, I'm doing my work. And based on what I've already set as my priorities for the day through the clarifying and organizing stage, and then really engaging in it, and I can be much more focused while I'm there. I think it's also important to really follow similar routines that we might have when we're, say, working in a physical office, by taking that mid-morning break and moving around. Movement, particularly if that's something that is really helps you function much better, that I think that's really important to make sure to take that break. And then also being consistent with when you take your lunch break too. And trying to get some movement within there. And also using that for a moment to zero out your inbox before you go back into the doing of the work. Or even just take a moment to, once again, jump into that clarify and organizing stage. But the overall pattern here is that, working from home and using getting things done methodology works really well if you have some structure and you build consistency throughout your day. And I think that's one of the things that can really help you be the most effective at whatever you're doing, but how getting things done can really help accelerate that process.